नमस्कार, मी विद्याधर प्रभुणे. मी मेडिक्लेम एका कंपनीची घेतलेली होती आणि मी माझे मिसेस आम्ही त्याच्यात कवर होतो. पण लेटर ऑन आय गॉट द मेसेज दॅट माय नेम इज डिलीटेड फ्रॉम द पॉलिसी अँड दॅट टाइम आय रिअलाइज की आय एम देअर विदाउट हॅव्हिंग एनी कवर. सो आय वॉज सर्चिंग फॉर अ एजन्सी who will guide me to clear my doubts and my benefits are to be reallocated to me. That time I approached Empathy Services, who guided me very well, and their sincere efforts and the services rendered by them are very nice, and I will definitely recommend to the person who will in contact with me for their continuous support and services. Because of them only we are in a position to have some clear cut guidance and their untiring services. Thank you.